Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up auto reply in Gmail. We'll start right in your Gmail inbox. Make sure you're signed in and can see your messages. Look to the top right corner of the page for the gear icon. That's the settings menu. Click it to open the quick settings panel so we can get to the options we need. In the quick settings panel, choose the link that says see all settings. This opens the full settings view with multiple tabs across the top. It's easier to work from here because it shows every available option without hiding anything important. Next, navigate to the Advanced tab along the top row. This section contains features you can choose to turn on or off. Find the option labeled Templates. Templates let you save a message and reuse it, which is the foundation for an auto-reply workflow in Gmail. Select Enable for Templates to switch it on. After enabling templates, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will reload to apply your new settings. Don't skip this step. If you don't save, the Templates feature won't be available in your Compose window. Back in your inbox, click Compose to open a new email. This is where you'll create the message you want to reuse. In the Compose window, look for the 3 vertical dots near the bottom right. That's the More Options menu. Click it to reveal additional tools. In that list, choose Templates. You'll now see the Templates panel, which is where you can save the draft you're writing as a template or insert a template you've already created. At this point, you can type the auto-reply message you plan to send and use the Templates option to save it. Keep the message clear and concise. Note when you'll be available again if it's relevant, and include your standard email signature. Avoid sharing sensitive information. If your organization has specific wording or a required disclaimer, include it in the body before saving. You can create multiple templates for different situations, such as out-of-office notices or acknowledgement receipts. Once your template is saved, you'll be able to insert it into messages from the same Templates menu whenever you need it. Many users pair templates with Gmail filters to automate replies based on incoming message criteria. With templates enabled and visible in the Compose window, you've completed the setup needed on this side to support that workflow. That's it. You've enabled templates, saved your changes, and opened the Templates menu in Compose, putting the core pieces of an auto-reply system in place.